Audaces Apparel. Variants. With the aim to reduce the number of saved files and make file management easier, as well as reduce the number of steps for making small changes to garments that use the same pattern, we have created for you the Variants configuration for Audaces Apparel. Variants is a pattern feature that allows a garment to have one or more marker, fabric, and/or piece patterns variants. Take as an example 2 shirt designs. Both use the same pattern. However, one of the shirts has pockets and details on the sleeves. The tool is located in Audaces Apparel Patterns on the Garment Palette Operations group. When the tool is enabled, the Manage Variants window will open, allowing you to create, edit, or remove variants. At the top of the window is the Add Pattern button with tabs for each created variant. In the middle of the window is the table of patterns belonging to the variant. The marker properties changes should be made to this table. You cannot change the name of patterns in this window. The pattern name and properties can only be edited in the Pattern Properties. Each table line is related to a pattern. At the end of each line is the Use Original Pattern Properties button, which restores the pattern property information. Below the table of patterns are the Add Pattern, Remove Pattern, and Rename Variant buttons. At the bottom of the window is the Show Selected Pattern Details, which shows the selected pattern's original design and properties. If one of the patterns cannot be located, the Find Missing Pattern button is enabled. Creating variants. Select the Variants tool, Garment Palette, Operations group. To create a variant, click the Add Variant button. Name the variant to be created. Click the OK button in the window. A new tab will be created in the window for each variant. Click the Add Pattern button. Choose the patterns to be linked to the created variant. Select the Select All box if all the patterns should be linked to the variant. Click the OK button to confirm. Edit the marker properties if necessary. Tip: to edit fields with the same values in a same column, just use the following accelerators. Click the name of the column to select all the fields at once. Type in the desired value and confirm by pressing the Enter button on the keyboard. Choose a field that you wish to edit by using the Control and Shift shortcuts. Type in the desired value and confirm by pressing the Enter button on the keyboard. Control to select alternate fields. Shift to select an interval of fields. Apply the value to the column by selecting the field with the desired value and accessing the command by clicking the right mouse button. To delete a variant, just click the Remove Variant button, located in the tabs of the created variants. Click OK in the Manage Variants window to confirm the procedure. Unidentified pattern. The variants identify patterns by their names. Therefore, there are 2 situations in which patterns may not be identified by variants. When the pattern belongs to a variant and has been deleted from the file. When the pattern name has been changed. Every unidentified pattern is highlighted in red in the Manage Variants window, and a warning appears in the Inconsistencies window when saving files. When a pattern is not identified, you can delete it from the variant by using the Remove Pattern button, located below the table in the Manage Variants window. Or update the pattern list, indicating the pattern to replace the unidentified one by using the Find Missing Pattern button. The Indicate Pattern button is enabled by selecting the line of the unidentified pattern. To replace the unidentified pattern, follow these instructions. Select the pattern highlighted in red. Click the Find Missing Pattern button. Select the pattern to be used with the variant. Notice that only the patterns that have not yet been linked to the variant will display in the window. By selecting the Update Pattern for All Variants option, the selected pattern will replace the unidentified pattern in all variants. Click OK to confirm your choice. Tip: the consistent variant tabs will be marked with a green dot. The inconsistent variants that present some kind of problem will be marked with a red dot.